This is Auxobrace. It's a device for sternal and cardiac rehabilitation for patients that have undergone open heart surgery. I was mainly inspired by my own journey through recovering from open heart surgery 2 years back. A lot of the rehabilitation devices are not really ideal. That's why I wanted to create one that could support the entire sternum instead of just the bottom half. The Auxobrace works by using a vacuum mechanism to actually evacuate air out of these pocket bladders, so it will shrink and apply compressive forces towards the sternum bone. I developed this prototype using a lot of 3D printing. So I 3D printed a lot of structures like this and using a lot of heat sealing actually to create like airtight bladders. These bladders end up being able to contract with the structures inside within the bladder. Some of my plans for Auxobrace are actually to work very closely with the doctors and experts from NUH as well as with the support from the school, and also further develop this structure going beyond sternal rehabilitation to see where this can actually be applied for other kinds of compressive rehab.